Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A35, and today I will show you how you can put this device into download mode. So to get started, you will need to grab a cable and you want to plug it into your computer and then to your device. Now it does need to be actually plugged into your computer. Disregard any kind of pop-ups, we don't really care about any of this, and pull down your notifications and select the power options and choose power off. And from there we're gonna hold volume up and volume down. And as you can see, this will boot us into download mode, or the page before that. We first need to press volume up to continue. And we are now in download mode. So this is how you boot this device into download mode. Now to leave this mode, typically whatever you booted this into download mode for, the program that you needed it will take you out of the download mode, but if it didn't, or maybe you change your mind, you can hold power button and volume down at the same time for more than 7 seconds, as it's stated right here, to forcibly reboot the device, which will then bring you back to Android. We can also unplug the cable, and there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.